Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our listing over here in Cedar Hammock Golf and Country Club. This is a bundled golf community where you can purchase this veranda. It's a 3-bedroom. This one's unique. They're usually 2+ den, but this is a 3-bedroom end unit. It's the ABBEY floor plan over here at Cedar Hammock Golf and Country Club. Awesome location on this. It's going to have over 1,600 square foot. You're going to have a single car garage. They are detached, so your garage is directly out front here. And also what you'll notice with this unit here is directly across from the garage right there. That's a satellite pool that you get to enjoy there. So you can just walk directly across from your garage and get right to the pool. But let's go ahead and start with this condo here. You have a nice lanai space out front. And you also have a lanai space in back. We'll get to that here shortly. But when you come into the ABBEY floor plan here, you're greeted with this nice little foyer area. You've got your kitchen directly off to the right. So you've got an eating kitchen space here with a really nice bay window overlooking your front lanai. You've got a pantry, full appliance package, and nice open kitchen layout with the white cabinets overlooking your dining space and your living room. Now coming back out into the main hallway here, on our left, this is where you're going to have the guest bedroom. So we're going to start over here to the left, and this is your guest bedroom back here, furnished here with a set of twin beds, and then you also have a walk-in style closet. And just off this bedroom is the laundry room. It is interior, which is really nice, big enough for full-size washer dryer. And also you have some additional storage space directly above it. There's a linen closet right here. That closet there is where your hot water tank and your AC is. Then you've got your guest bath here. One of the upgrades that you'll notice is the glass enclosed tub there, which is really nice add-on. And this piggybacks off of your what would be considered normally a den, but in this case it's a 3rd bedroom, because not only do you have the window for access, you also have this closet here as well. This particular owner has some of their electronics in it, but this closet here can be used for clothes, making this a 3rd bedroom style option. And you also have the den doors, double doors opening up to this particular room. Now let's back up here a second. We're right off the kitchen here, and you have your dining space. You also have the bar countertop here where you can put a bunch of, probably about a good 4 stools right there. Then you've got your dining and your living space. And the nice part about the 2nd floor also is that you have vaulted ceilings. So you have a much higher roof line than you do on the 1st level. Now we're going to run off to the master suite over here. Nice size master. That's a king size bed. You've got a huge bay window here. And also in this unit, you do have a pocketing slider door. So this door right here pockets all the way in, allowing for open access to your rear lanai. You're going to have the his and hers closets here. And then you've got the master bath with the separate tub. You've got the separate shower, dual sinks, your enclosed water closet, and also another linen closet here. Tons of storage in this ABBEY floor plan, which is really nice. Now, one of the best things about this particular home is the view. Once we head out here, you're going to notice this is a pocketing slider, so this opens all the way up here. Really nice feature to have. So while you're inside, you've got a nice open view of your lanai. And the views here just started to rain, so you're gonna have to forgive me on that, but it is a beautiful view here. You've got a triple golf view all the way to the back there. You've got golf, you've got water, you've got preserve. Arguably one of the best views that you're gonna find here at Cedar Hammock. And also this exposure right about this way is western exposure, so you're going to see beautiful sunsets coming right out of this area right here. All right guys, so this home here is being offered, as you see it, turnkey. You can find all the available information about this home below. Our contact information is below as well. If you're interested in this home here in Cedar Hammock, give us a call. You can reach us at 239-671-4046 or any of the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.